Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this avocado smoothie. Stay tuned to the end of this video. So to get started, here is my banana. You all know that banana contains fiber, potassium, such as vitamin C. Banana have a lot of benefits, good benefits, yes guys. So, and here is my avocado. Avocados, they are very rich in vitamin A, C, and E. Yes guys. So right now I'm slicing my avocado, adding it inside the blender, as you can see. Yes guys. So guys, after adding my avocado pear on the inside blender, I'm gonna add my yogurt. Yes guys, you all know that the yogurt I'm using is a low sugar, and you all know that, as you can see here, is 0.3% fat. And you all know that low fat yogurt can be a useful source of protein on a weight loss diet. Yes guys, and it can boost your immune system, so it's very good in the body. Yes. So right now guys, I'm gonna use some milk to blend it together. Half cup of milk, as you can see. Yes, you can also use your regular milk. Yes. So right now guys, I'm blending it, as you can see. Haven't said this, to maintain a very healthy lifestyle, we need smoothie in our diet. Yes guys. So beautiful people, I believe I have come to the end of this video. Right now our smoothie is ready to be consumed. Yes, if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, share to your friend, and tell me your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye bye.
Yo.